I know when y'all seen that title in the thumbnail, y'all was surprised. I know y'all was thinking, man, I was wondering when he was gonna get back to them wings, and it's today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make baked lemon pepper jerk wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's start off with the ingredients of this particular recipe, not many. This is a very easy and quick recipe. We're gonna start back here with our chicken wings, barbecue sauce. We have Walkerwoods jerk sauce here, liquid smoke, apple cider vinegar. We have some lemon pepper jerk seasoning here, browning, more that Walkerwoods, and some olive oil. This all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. We're gonna start with the seasoning of our chicken by adding our Walkerwoods here, our lemon pepper jerk seasoning, our olive oil, and a little of that browning. And all we're gonna do is go in with our hands, get it mixed up. All right, we're gonna move this aside. Bring over our baking sheet. I'm gonna hit that with a little cooking spray. Now, if you don't have a rack to place your chicken on, that's fine. You can just bake it directly in the pan. I like to bake mine on rack. I like to bake my wings on the rack because it allows the air to circulate or the heat to circulate around the wing. That way it cooks evenly, in my opinion. That's how I feel. That is my theory. I may be wrong, but it's my kitchen. So now we're gonna add our wings here on our rack. You know, make sure you allow a little space between them. So because you want those babies to breathe and that air to circulate. You know, I always say that, leave a little space. And I like to cook mine starting off skin side down on my flats. I don't know, I just got a conspiracy about that. I like to start off with the flat skin side down. So now we're gonna pop these in our preheated oven at 375, let them cook for 35 to 45 minutes. Depending on how big your wings are, will determine how long you keep them in there. The bigger they are, of course, let them stay for 45 minutes. They're a little bit on the smaller side, 35 minutes to 40 minutes works. All right, so we're gonna get these babies popped in. We're gonna come back. All right, so while those wings are cooking, we're gonna start preparing our barbecue sauce. We're gonna add our liquid smoke here, our apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add a little Walkerwoods right here. I didn't have this on the list right here, but for old time's sake, we're gonna add just a tad bit of honey. Gotta get that baby just sweeten up a little bit. We're gonna take that, we're gonna get that mixed around in here like that. All right, take a look at that, guys. We're gonna sit this aside until our wings are finished cooking for that 35 to 45 minutes. All right, so after 40 minutes, I've pulled those babies out of the oven. Now we're gonna baste these with our barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna put these babies back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them over midway through and I'm gonna baste the other side and put them back in there for the remainder of the time. Now, if you just wanna just keep that one side like that brushed in barbecue sauce, that's totally up to you. For me, what I do on one side, I like to do on the other. All right, so I'm gonna get this back here for me for about 10 more minutes, and I'm gonna flip it over after 5. All right, so we are good, man. Take a look at these wings here. Look at that, oh man. So last thing we do is just get these babies plated up and into quality control. We're gonna eat these babies just like this, all right? And there you have it, baked lemon pepper jerk chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Time to get these babies a taste test. All right, so it's the favorite part of the show, and we always bring our food to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. Man, without further ado, and it's a nice little drum. I'm finna go ahead and make it happen. Oh man. This is what I'm talking about right here, butter. So jerky-y. Listen, jerk chicken is one of my favorite types of chicken. Man, this thing. And then it's got that spiciness too. Oh my goodness. You know, when we eat these jerk chickens, man, we gotta have our elbows on the table and we gotta make sure that our mouth stay dirty until every one of them is gone. So I'm not gonna stand up here and continue to talk. You guys already know jerk chicken is fire. Until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.